Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja has dismissed the request by detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, for the restoration of his revoked bail and his removal from the custody of the Department of State Services to a house arrest or prison custody. Justice Nyako said the same request had been brought before her by Mr. Kanu, but was dismissed for want of merit. She asked that he jumped the bail earlier granted him and escaped out of the country. The judge also held that the sureties who stood for him in the earlier bail had applied to be discharged and had been discharged on the ground that they could not locate Kanu and did not know his whereabouts. Justice Nyako said that the only option left for Kanu was to go to the Court of Appeal and exercise his right of appeal. The leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, however, faulted his trial, claiming it is illegal.
Section 2, subsection 3F of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act. That's what it says. Any court considered to try me is committing an act of terrorism. Because I did not jump bail. My home was invaded. They came to kill me and I survived. They came to Kenya to kidnap me, brought me back to this country and seeking to try me, which the law says cannot happen. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then hope to stand on that illegality to conduct a trial is not done anywhere in the world.
Ordinarily, we expected that this court would have just followed suit by restoring his bail, but it didn't happen. The court made some order that he felt is in our favor, but really it's not in our favor. He made modifications in the conditions of his detention at the DSS. If you recall, they used to take documents from us. They used to listen in because they bugged the place and everything. She made an order that the room should be changed and all that. But I think this is pyrrhic and that we should take note. This is pyrrhic. It's not enough to guarantee that Nnamdi Kanu will get a fair trial.
Was staying on judicial